Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to the quickest, the sharpest, the easiest, simple subject. Welcome to mathematics. Friends, in our previous video, we verified one rule. The rule is multiplication of two numbers is equals to multiplication of their HCF and LCM. In this video, we are going to solve word problems based on that number. In this video, we are going to solve question number 6 and 7 from practice set 14 of lesson 3 HCF LCM of Maharashtra State Board. So let's go. Question 6. The HCF and LCM of two numbers are 72 and 432 respectively. There are two numbers. Their HCF is 72 and LCM is 432. Clear? If one of the number is 216, among those two numbers, one number is 216. What is the other? See friends, in this kind of examples, four quantities are involved. Number 1, number 2 means two numbers, their HCF and their LCM. Right? Among these four quantities, if three quantities are given, finding the fourth one is very minor task for us. So let's go. Let's first write in the form of what information is given. Friends, here given is HCF is equals to 72. LCM is equals to 432. Among those two numbers, one number is 216. So let us say it as number 1, which is equals to 216. And what we have to find? We have to find second number. Let us say it as number 2. Okay, our solution is so too easy. It's just based on one rule. The rule is multiplication of two numbers, number 1 and number 2. Number 1 multiplied by number 2 is equals to multiplication of their HCF and LCM. HCF multiplied by LCM. Therefore, number 1 is, what is number 1? 216. 216 multiplied by number 2 is equals to HCF into LCM. What is HCF? 72 multiplied by 432. Now, to find out this number 2, this 216 will change the side. It is multiplying here, so after changing side it will divide. Therefore, number 2 is equals to 72 multiplied by 432 upon 216. Now, finding this number 2 is just doing the calculation with the help of test of divisibilities. So, let's do this calculation in rough area. 72 into 432 upon 216. 1, 2, 3. All numbers are divisible by 2. 16, 32. These numbers are divisible by 4. So let's divide these two numbers by 4. 4 5s are 20. 1 is the remainder. 1 on it. 6 on the 1. 16. 4 4s are 16. So it will be 54. 4 1s are 4. 3 is smaller than 4. So 0. 4 8s are 32. Clear? Now 54 and 108. Both are divisible by 2. Let's divide them by 2. So 2 2s are 4. 2 7s are 14. 2 5s are 10. 2 4s are 8. 72, 27, 54. All are divisible by 9. So let's divide them by 9. 9 3s are 27. 9 8s are 72. So what remained? 8 into 54 upon 3. Once again, this 54 is divisible by 3. So we can divide this 3 and 54 by 3. Here will be 3 1s are 3. Here will be 3 1s are 3. 5 minus 3, 2. 4 on that 2 will form 24. 3 8s are 24. So what is remained? 8 into 18. see such a big calculation. We changed it into minor task, very limited. Let's do it. 18 8s are 144. Finish. So that second number is 144. Isn't it easy? I think you have found it super duper easy. Clear? This technique I think everyone is aware of how to use test of divisibility. Okay friends, now let us solve next example. The product of two two digits number is 765. Product means multiplication. Multiplication of two number is 765 and their HCF is 3. What is their LCM? What is given in this example? Once again students, in such kind of examples 4 quantities are involved. Number 1, number 2, HCF and LCM. Let us see what is given in this example. Given part is product of two digit numbers. So instead of giving two numbers, their product is directly given, which is used in the formula like number 1 into number 2. Number 1 is one number, number 2 is another number. Number 1 into number 2 is product of these two numbers. So such product is directly given. So what is given? Number 1 into number 2. Let's consider these two are number 1 and number 2 is equals to 765. Okay, what next thing is given? And their HCF is equals to 3. And what we have to find? We have to find their LCM. Once again, it is very minor task for us. We are just going to use the rule. Product of two number is equals to product of their HCF and LCM. So number 1 multiplied by number 2 means product of two number is equals to product of their HCF and LCM. Okay friends, so number 1 into number 2 directly given 765, right, which is equals to HCF 3 multiplied by LCM. LCM is not given. Now to find out LCM, what we have to do? This 3 will change the side and LCM will keep it alone, and after changing side 3 will divide. So LCM is equals to 765 upon 3. LCM 765 upon 3 means 765 divided by 3. Let's divide. 3 2s are 6. 7 minus 6. 1 is the remainder. Next digit 6. 6 on 1 will form 16. 3 5s are 15. 16 minus 15. 1 will be remainder. Bring next 5 on it. 1 and 5 on it will form 15. 3 5s are 15. Finish. So LCM of two numbers whose multiplication is 765 is equals to 255 if their HCF is equals to 3. As simple as it is. Clear? Nothing simpler than this. Okay, so please enjoy. Thank you friends.